Well, there's no executive order yet, but the governor says that he's forming an advisory team. He's gathering public input, and he's got his lawyers looking into how he could make medicinal marijuana legal in Kentucky.
My husband suffers from seizures, and I know medical marijuana would benefit him.
Dee Dee Taylor says medical marijuana worked so well for her husband, she opened 502 Hemp to sell CBD, a legal derivative of hemp with similar benefits. She would welcome an executive order legalizing medical marijuana.
I think it would be a huge win for the state and for all the people that are in support of it and that need it, and would keep people from going to other legal states.
Before he does that, Governor Andy Beshear says he'll first form the governor's medical cannabis advisory team.
And I want to make sure that I'm getting advice from all corners of Kentucky and that we can hear directly people's stories, people's experience, the need that is out there.
Louisville Republican Jason Nemes sponsored the bill that passed the House this session but stalled in the Senate. He's glad Beshear supports medical marijuana, but says this.
You have to follow the law in the process. If the governor signs an executive order making it legal, it doesn't make it so. It's giving people false hope. It won't hold up in court, and so he just needs to stop saying it.
We asked Beshear exactly how an executive order would supersede criminal law.
There are a number of potential options there, from looking at the state of our opioid epidemic to other significant issues that we face. Also looking at some of our regulations and laws on the medical side itself.
Of all the states with medical or fully legalized marijuana, none have done so through an executive order. Mark Vanderhoff, WLKY News.
Senate President Robert Stivers also issued a statement today arguing the governor cannot legalize medical marijuana by executive order. He called it a constitutional separation of powers violation. You can provide input by sending an email to Gov Medical Cannabis Advisory Team at ky.gov.